Welcome back, Love Nation. This is Nina. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to everybody that has been coming to this channel. Like this video, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. Now I am going to get into this. This appeals court case is over with Amber and Johnny. Amber will settle at $1 million, and she released a statement. Now, you guys do remember the original judgment was almost $10 million. Johnny is going to settle for just $1 million to be rid of this case, and she agreed and signed off on it. Johnny is also going to donate the money to charity. I am going to read this long statement from Amber, and then I am going to give you guys a little bit of my commentary. Alright, so she wrote, after a great deal of deliberation, I have made the very difficult decision to settle my defamation case brought against me by my ex-husband in Virginia. It's important for me to say that I've never chose this. I defended my truth, and in doing so in my life, as I knew it was destroyed. The vilification I have faced on social media is an amplified version of the ways in which women are treated when they come forward. Now I finally have the opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago, and on terms I can agree to. I have made no admission. This is not an act of concession. There is no restrictions or gags with respect to my voice moving forward. I make this decision having lost faith in the American legal system, where my unprotected testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder. When I stood before a judge in the UK, I was vindicated by a robust, impartial, and fair system, where I was protected from having to give the worst moments of my testimony in front of the world's media, and where the court found that I was subjected to what I said. In the U.S., however, I exhausted almost all my resources in advance of and during a trial in which I was subjected to a courtroom in which abundant direct evidence that corroborated my testimony was excluded, in which popularity and power mattered more than reason and due process. In the interim, I was exposed to a type of humiliation that I simply cannot relive. Even in my U.S. appeal, Even if my U.S. appeal is successful, the best outcome would be a retrial where a new jury would have to consider the evidence again. I simply cannot go through that for a third time. Time is precious, and I want to spend it with my child, purpose, and productivity. For too many years, I have been caged into an arduous and expensive legal process which has shown itself unable to protect me and my right to free speech. I cannot afford to risk an impossible bill, one that is not just financial, but also psychological, physical, and emotional. Women shouldn't have to face this or bankruptcy for speaking her truth, but unfortunately, it is not uncommon. In settling this case, I am also choosing the freedom to dedicate my time to the work that helped me heal after my divorce, work that exists in realms which remains unseen, heard, and believed, in which I know I can affect change. I will not be disheartened or dissuaded by what happened from speaking the truth. No one can, no one will ever take that from me. My voice forever remains the most valuable asset I have. I'd like to thank my outstanding appellate and original trial teams for their relentless hard work. I want to thank everyone who has supported me, and I turn my attention to growing support that I have felt and seen publicly in the months since the trial, and the efforts that have been made to show solidarity with my story. Any survivor knows that the ability to tell their story often feels like the only relief. And I cannot find enough words to tell you the hope your belief in me inspires, not just for me, but for all of you. Thank you. See you soon. Amber. Okay? That is the statement that she put out on her social media. And again, she is going to pay $1 million. Word have it, is actually not coming out of her pocket, but it's coming from her insurance company. And Johnny Depp has not said anything in response to this, nor has his lawyers. And like I said, this case now draws to a conclusion. I would definitely like to know what you guys think about this case. This has been quite a wild one, but we finally have a conclusion, you guys. So please leave your comments below, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, be safe and enjoy your day. Bye, guys.